Welcome back to the Schmitter's 100 Acre Woods. So here we're looking at the pad that we poured. So I have the time-lapse footage that I'll put in, but we got this all poured and finished off. So it's not 100%, but for being the first project we've really done with this amount of concrete, didn't go too bad. See this form bowed just a little bit there at the end, but not terrible. Same right here, had just a little bit of bowing, but wasn't too bad. So as you'll notice in the video, so because this end down here was so thick, it was hard to estimate exactly how much concrete we needed. We had 5 yards brought in by the cement truck and thought that would be enough, and ended up being just a little short. So you can see down here at this end, it's kind of a different color here. And this is the Quikrete, the 80-pound bags we ended up having to mix up to put in from here down. So we're able to get it blended in fairly well, and hopefully it won't be an issue, but we were just a little bit short, so we ended up having to do that kind of separately. So had to run, get some bags, and was able to get this done. But basically went through and got the concrete. The guy who brought the concrete out was very helpful, because we were able to get the concrete kind of moved around, and Dad and I were screeding it, but really needed to move concrete back and forth to pull some away and push some in low spots. And he was very helpful to come and kind of do that. So we're very appreciative of him helping, because it's definitely not something he has to do. It's something that he chose to kind of help with. So we're able to screed across and get most of it filled in, and then kind of got it all put in, and then Dad started finishing, so we went through with the trowel and kind of got the edges, and then went with the bowl float. And it's a style where you push, you rotate, you push, and it picks one side up, and then you rotate the other direction, it picks the other side up, and you pull back. So I was able to do that across. And then went through and kind of did some trowel work, and you can see kind of the arcs here. So it's, again, not 100%, but it's pretty close. And for anything, for just putting the sawmill on it, it'll be perfect. And then we did go through and do some edging on the sides, just kind of help make it a little bit more finished. So overall, fairly happy with how this turned out. We'll see exactly how this side does. Only time will tell kind of what we got here with having to do this separately. But overall, it's a fairly nice pad. This weekend we'll probably, let's see, so we're on day, 3, I guess, from having done this. So it's still got a ways to go before it's really set up. And we'll probably give it a couple weeks before really doing too much, and we can't really do a whole lot with it until the sawmill's here anyway. So we have it done though, so hopefully when we do get it, we can work on getting it set up on here and have a nice flat spot to put it. So that's the slab. I'll have the time-lapse video and everything probably before this, so you can kind of see going through. And then I wore a chest mount for some of it, and got some of that footage, and with screeding and stuff kind of being bent over, didn't get a whole lot of great footage, but have some there that I'll include as well. So anyway, one more step. Hopefully waiting for that sawmill. Hopefully we'll get it this month sometime, and start playing with that.
pressure out. Let it, whatever you got, bring it on.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, it gets an angle.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
So thank you for watching the Schmitter's 100 Acre Woods. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.